Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt it was time for a real transformation, one that goes beyond empty promises? If the pursuit of rapid weight loss with visible and lasting results is your priority, then you are in the right place. Intermittent fasting, especially the 16-8 protocol, emerges as a powerful, scientifically validated tool to redefine your metabolism and accelerate fat burning effectively. Let's uncover how it works. If you enjoy content about evidence-based health and weight loss, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to always be alerted when we post new content. Imagine your body as a sophisticated energy machine. Most of the time, it burns what you eat. But what if we could teach our bodies to access stored fat reserves more efficiently? Intermittent fasting for beginners, like the 16-8 method, proposes exactly that. Alternating periods of eating with periods of fasting, signaling the body to use fat as its primary fuel. This approach has been gaining more and more followers for its simplicity and results. The problem many face when trying to lose weight is the difficulty in sustaining restrictive diets and the constant feeling of hunger, which leads to giving up. The science behind intermittent fasting, however, offers a promising alternative. By focusing on when we eat, rather than just what we eat, we can create a more favorable metabolic environment for weight loss. This shift in perspective is fundamental for those seeking to lose weight fast with fasting. Research indicates that a prolonged fasting window, like the 16 hours of the 16-8 protocol, can optimize the body's hormonal response. This includes a reduction in insulin levels and an increase in growth hormones, both crucial for fat burning and muscle preservation. This innovative strategy aims to reprogram your metabolism to access stored energy, combating fat accumulation in an intelligent and sustainable way. Understanding the impact of intermittent fasting on your body is the first step to unlocking your fat-burning potential. But how exactly does this prolonged fasting window activate lipolysis, the fat breakdown process? And what are the best strategies to start, ensuring you maximize benefits without compromising your well-being? Prepare to discover a path to transformation that is both inspiring and scientifically grounded, propelling you toward your goals. The key to understanding how intermittent fasting for beginners works to burn fat in 7 days lies in a fascinating biochemical mechanism: the alternation between the eating phase and the fasting phase. During the eating phase, the body processes nutrients and stores excess energy, primarily as glycogen and fat. However, after a few hours without food intake, the story changes completely, and science reveals the secret. When you reach approximately 12 to 16 hours of fasting, your body enters a metabolic state called nutritional ketosis. Insulin, the hormone responsible for fat storage, drops dramatically. At the same time, glucagon increases, signaling the liver to release glucose and, more importantly, fat cells to release fatty acids. Intermittent fasting 16-8 leverages this window to optimize this transition. This process, known as lipolysis, is the fundamental mechanism by which the body accesses stored fat as an energy source. By creating this consistent fasting window, you teach your body to become more efficient at utilizing this stored fat, especially during the prolonged period without food. This is the foundation for anyone seeking a method to lose weight fast with fasting. Studies in journals like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition explain that intermittent caloric restriction can lead to an energy deficit without the need for obsessive calorie counting. This, combined with favorable hormonal changes, stimulates the burning of body fat. The wonder of intermittent fasting for weight loss is that it works in your favor, aligning your biological processes with your weight loss goals. Therefore, by practicing the 16-8 fast, you're not just skipping meals, you're actively signaling your body to switch into fat-burning mode. This ability to access your energy reserves is crucial for anyone who wants to see significant weight reduction in a short period. But for this strategy to be safe and effective, it's vital to understand how to implement it correctly and what nuances to consider. Now that we understand the science behind fat burning with intermittent fasting, let's dive into the 16-8 protocol in a practical and inspiring way. Intermittent fasting for beginners may seem challenging at first, but with the right approach, it becomes a powerful tool for those seeking to lose weight rapidly. The simple structure of this protocol is the key to its effectiveness and long-term sustainability. The 16-8 protocol means fasting for 16 hours and having an 8-hour eating window. For example, you can choose to fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day, allowing your first meal at noon and finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. This flexible window makes 16-8 intermittent fasting accessible for most lifestyles, easily integrating into your daily routine. During the 16 hours of fasting, consumption of zero-calorie liquids is permitted and even encouraged. This includes water, black coffee, unsweetened teas, and sparkling water. Staying hydrated is fundamental for managing hunger and optimizing metabolic processes. Avoiding sugary drinks or those with artificial sweeteners during this period is crucial to not interrupt the benefits of fasting. When starting intermittent fasting for weight loss, focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods within your 8-hour window. Prioritize lean proteins, healthy fats, vegetables, and fruits. A balanced diet will help ensure your body receives the necessary nutrients to function well and maintain satiety. The quality of your meals is just as important as the timing. Consistency is your greatest ally when implementing the 16-8 fast for rapid weight loss with fasting. By adhering to this pattern regularly, you train your body to efficiently use fat as fuel, promoting continuous fat burning. Remember, the journey to optimize metabolic health is a marathon, not a sprint, and the 16-8 protocol is a significant step in that direction. Implementing intermittent fasting for beginners safely is as crucial as understanding the fat-burning mechanisms. While the 16-8 protocol is generally well tolerated, the transition should be made with attention and respect for your body's signals. Science shows that a gradual start and active listening to your needs are fundamental to maximizing results and minimizing discomfort. When you begin, you may notice some mild side effects, such as headaches or slight irritability, which are common as your body adapts. Drinking plenty of water and consuming electrolytes, such as a pinch of salt in your water, can help alleviate these symptoms. Intermittent fasting for weight loss should be a positive experience, not a torture, so adjust as needed. It is essential to be honest about the strength of the evidence. While studies on intermittent fasting and weight loss are promising, individual responses can vary. What works wonderfully for one person may need adjustments for another. 16-8 intermittent fasting is a powerful tool, but not a magic bullet for all health challenges. Consistency and patience are important virtues on this journey to ensure your journey with intermittent fasting is safe and effective, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Talking to a healthcare professional is indispensable. They can offer personalized guidance and ensure the method aligns with your specific needs, complementing the goal of losing weight fast with fasting. Your doctor is your greatest partner. The power to transform your body and your health is within your reach. By embracing 16-8, intermittent fasting with knowledge and a clear plan, you are on the right path to unlocking your fat-burning potential and achieving a healthier, more confident version of yourself. Always remember that this is a guide, and professional consultation is always the best path. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to always be alerted when we post new content. A big hug and see you later.